Neville Goddard's law of assumption encapsulates the power of our beliefs and assumptions in shaping our reality. According to Goddard, assuming the feeling and state of our desires already fulfilled is the key to manifesting them into our lives. He teaches that our outer world is a reflection of our inner world, and by persistently dwelling in the feeling of our wish fulfilled, we align ourselves with the corresponding reality in the universe. This goes beyond mere wishful thinking. It's about embodying the state of being and living from the end result, which in turn attracts circumstances and events that match our assumed reality. Through the law of assumption, Goddard emphasizes the importance of conscious creation and the understanding that our imagination is the creative force behind all manifestations in our lives. As we master the art of assumption, we unlock the potential to consciously design our destiny and fulfill our deepest desires.